Exploring the phrase, bestie. Hello, wonderful learners. Today, we're diving into a popular English slang term that you might have heard in casual conversations, movies, or social media. It's bestie. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it. Bestie is a colloquial term derived from the word best. It's a shortened form of best friend. So when someone says, "She's my bestie," they mean, "She's my best friend." It's a term of endearment that indicates a very close and strong friendship. Bestie is a casual and informal term. Here are some contexts where it's appropriate. 1. Social media. People often use bestie in captions with photos of them with their close friends. Spent the day with my bestie. 2. Casual conversations. In day-to-day talks, you might hear, "I'm going shopping with my bestie later." 3. Birthday wishes. On birthdays, "Happy birthday, bestie," is a common way to greet a close friend. The term bestie isn't very old in the grand timeline of the English language. It originated as a slang term in the late 20th century and gained popularity in the 21st century, especially with the rise of social media platforms where shorter, catchy terms are preferred. While bestie is a popular term, there are many other words and phrases you can use to describe a close friend. Some of these include BFF, an acronym for Best Friends Forever; buddy, a casual term for friend; pal, another informal term for friend; main squeeze, a more playful term which can mean close friend or romantic partner; confidant, a person with whom you share your secrets and personal thoughts. And there you have it. Now you're fully equipped to understand and use the term bestie in various contexts. Remember, language is constantly evolving, and staying updated with such slang terms can be a fun way to engage with modern English. Hope this video was helpful, and see you next time, dear learners.